I want to explain you why is a good idea every time when we create a new virtual machine with VirtualBox to change the default network adapter mode from NAT to bridge adapter, because in this variant, when we restart or start up the virtual machine, our router will give us unique IP address, and by this way we can access and administrate each individual virtual machine. In my example, I have a working desktop computer that have virtual VMware workstation with the Linux Mint installation. This is my working virtual machine, and she has IP address with 206, and my real desktop computer have IP address with 205. And when we set network settings in the virtual box with the bridge adapter, we have incremental IP from the router with the IP address with 207, and by this way I can access from the terminal via the SSH command my new created Debian server, and thanks to the SSH we can easily add new Docker images and build and run new containers. But before that, it is a good idea, when we create all the needed settings for this virtual machine Debian server, to create a backup copy for this virtual machine. Another good approach is to reuse this virtual machine and to create another Debian server. For example, just with the clone command, and okay, and maybe we can in the future add another virtual machine and so on.